one of the best namin dito sa AB. He's a graduate of business management, former employee in bank for 4 years, 7 years in financing industry, 2019 Lifestyle Millennial Achiever Awardee, 2021 Lifestyles Highest Group Growth Nominee, 2025 Lifestyles Breakthrough Leader Awardee, and Miwi Colon, Global Marketing Director, Ruel Senoy. Take it away, GMD Ruel.
Wow, thank you so much, Jim De Eva, for that very for your introduction. Okay, so ano ba yung topic ko ngayon? Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so your health, your income, and it's your future. Ibig sabihin, ano lang yan, kung wala kang maayos na kalusugan, mahirapan kang kumilos at magtrabaho. No, kung wala kang maayos na income, mahirap bumuo ng magandang future. That's why it all starts with choosing the right company, no? So, ano pa? So, that's why we choose Lifestyles. Ito yung company natin. So, why Lifestyles? Ito yon, no? So, stable company in more than 30 successful years. So, stable na talaga, no? Hindi ka na talaga hindi ka na matakot talaga uminom ng products. At the same time, hindi ka na matakot na mag-engage sa business because stable yung company natin. Of course, it all ships products in over 30 countries with millions satisfied customers and with a proven franchising system. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda din, ang Lifestyles, ang company natin, member sa US Direct Selling Association. Ibig sabihin, legit talaga, no? Legitimate talaga kasi yung DSA siya yung police sa lahat ng mga network marketing sa market. Okay, so and I'm proud to say that we are a member of a US Direct Selling Association and it has Intra which has been changing lives around the world. Yes or yes. Okay, so ano pa? So now let's meet the products behind the business. No wellness na talaga kasi ngayon yung mga tao talaga conscious na talaga sa katawan talaga. So that's why yung lahat ng products natin, ano talaga lahat ng mga tao pwede talaga. And of course, sabi ko kanina, proven na, no? Powerful and of course, demand talaga yung products natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so ano pa? So now introducing our flagship product which is the Intra. Intra, it is a pleasant tasting juice that strengthens the immune system. And of course, it over 30 years around the world contains 23 time tested and most potent herbs. Napakagaling talaga ng Intra because 23 herbs na. And of course, safe for all ages, including babies and pregnant women. Ibig sabihin, lahat talaga, no? Mabata or from womb to almost tomb, no? Pwede talaga yung Intra natin. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda because the company nag-offer yung Lifestyles ng 30-day money back guarantee. Hindi ako believer ng supplement dati, no? Nung yung upline ko nag-introduce sa akin na uminom ka sa product because nag-offer yung company ng money back guarantee. That's why nag-grab ka agad ako 13 years ago, no rather. So ano pa ba? And of course, ito yung pangalawang products natin, the Nutria Plus. This is the ultimate antioxidant with Seleno Excel Selenium. It helps, ito yung benefit ng Nutria Plus sa katawan natin. It can preventing you from getting cancer, no? Maganda, no? Kasi nowadays, cancer talaga, no? Number 3, I guess, no? Leading sa sakit, no? Sa mga tao ngayon. Of course, Nutria Plus, it can reduce inflammation, yung mga bukol, yung mga lahat, no? And of course, it repairs and regenerates tissues, prevents skin damage due to sun exposure. And of course, Nutria Plus, ito yung pinakamaganda, it can slows down the effect of aging process. Yes, that's why yung mga distributor talaga, nung umiinom talaga ng product, at talagang bumabata talaga yung umiinom ng Nutria Plus. Yes or yes? Okay, so ano pa? Ano pa yung pangatlong products natin? The Fiber Life. This is a unique soluble plant fiber as ABC, no? Madali lang. It helps control appetite, no, for obesity, no? Yung if gusto kang gusto mong lumiit, no? Just take the Fiber Life. And of course, also it can regulate your blood sugar level, no? Kasi yung papa ko dati is ano talaga siya, mataas yung sugar niya. 8 years siya dependent sa insulin, but taking Fiber Life talagang nag-regulate talaga yung sugar level niya. And of course, cholesterol for heart disease. So yan, ABC lang yung Fiber Life, appetite control, blood sugar levels, and cholesterol control. And of course, pang-apat na products natin is ang CardioLife. So CardioLife with vitamin K2, it aids healthy blood circulation for maintaining, ito yon, ABC again, healthy heart, to maintain our healthy heart, and of course, stronger bones, and of course, healthy brain. Ito yung maganda talaga yung CardioLife because para siyang anti-declogger, no? Nililinis talaga niya yung mga bara-bara sa mga arteries natin. So, yan yung CardioLife, yung ang pang-apat na products natin. Okay, so next, this is our tinatawag natin na premium. This is what we call Better Together Kit. So, your support solution against the top 3 causes of death today. So, our 3 months detox program, so kung magtitake ka ng product, kung just commit the 3 months detox program, no? Kailangan mo lang mag-graduate ka lang sa 3 months. Why 3 months? Because yung first month is cleansing. So, magdi-detox talaga yan, maglilinis talaga yan. Pangalawang buwan, nourishing. And of course, the third month is rebuilding and strengthening our 8 body systems. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda sa Better Together Kit natin. It helps provide over 250 health building properties. Yung laman ng isang BT kit natin, dalawang intra liquid, 1 bottle of Nutria Plus, 1 bottle of Fiber Life, and 1 bottle of CardioLife. You know, intra alone is okay naman, Nutria alone is okay naman, but yung if 4 products ang i-consume mo, if yung 4 products na iti-take mo, of course, better talaga yung results natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so our commitment to quality, premium quality, natural source products produced in Canada in accordance with GMP and HACCP standards for purity, safety, and sanitation. Ibig sabihin, walang contamination yung products natin talaga, and approved by FDA, kosher-rated, and halal certified. That's why we have office in Dubai and Israel. So talagang worldwide yung business natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so I guess tapos na ako. Madali lang pala yung ano yung topic ko, no. So this is my lifestyle journey. No, yes, I used to work before ako uminom sa product. I used to work sa bank for 11 years, no. Dati hindi ako believer ng product, hindi ako believer ng supplement kasi yung mindset ko talaga, doctor lang talaga ang maka-address sa sakit ko. Yes, 11 years, very stressful yung trabaho ko, nagkasakit ako. I have severe migraine, I have insomnia, constipated pa ako dati. Sabi ng upline ko, wag kang don't worry because money back naman yung product natin. So inumin mo lang, just commit the 3 months detox program. In fact, ako may yung severe migraine ko, nagpa-MRI ko dito sa Cebu kasi feeling ko dati mayroon akong brain tumor kasi sumusuka ako, parang iba na talaga, parang feeling ko that time may brain tumor ako. That's why sabi ko, sabi ng upline ko si GM Deramil, uminom ka sa product kasi maganda talaga. So, ngayon 13 years na ako uminom sa product. I'm healthy talaga, no? Wala na ako maintenance, and hindi lang ako uminom sa product, pati the whole family ko talaga, yung papa ko, yung brother ko, siya yung blockbuster testimony ko. He has tanning na 3 months to live kasi mayroon siyang bone tuberculosis. No, but amazing talaga yung products natin kasi na-extend yung life niya to more than 5 years talaga. that's why I am forever grateful talaga sa product kasi lahat kami, the whole family na healthy na talaga. No, that's why sabi ng upline ko, let's do the business kasi ang product, gumaling ka na, maganda yung product, let's do the business. Sabi ko, sige, i-try ko yung business, yung business side. So, nagpaturo ako, nagpag-guide lang ako talaga. When I started doing the business, hindi ako marunong, but tinuruan lang ako talaga. Ngayon, ano na ako, 9 years na ako full-time sa business and I'm one of the global marketing director. When I started, yung nag-decide talaga na gawin ang business, talagang 180 degrees na change talaga ang buhay ko. Ngayon, nakabili ako ng bahay. Yun, ngayon, may nag-rent na yan, no? Nag-rent ng 40,000 a month. So, passive income na yan. And of course, nakabili ako ng 2 sasakyan dito. It's because of the lifestyle opportunity, no? Talagang, my God, napakaganda talaga yung opportunity ng lifestyles. Kasi before 11 years na ako nag-work, wala naman talaga ako. Even sasakyan, even bahay, rent lang talaga. But ngayon, grabe talaga ang nangyari sa buhay ko nang dahil sa decision ko na ginawa 9 years ago. No, ano pa ba? Of course, nakabili ng mga lupa, no, condo, ano pa ba bang nangyari dito? Paper assets, no? I have plans. And ito yung pinakamaganda kasi nakapagtapos ako ng yung mga pamangkin ko talaga, may SEMA na ako, may custom na ako, may first year college ako na CPA, mag-CPA daw siya. So yun yung mga pinapaaral ko. And of course, lahat ng yan is courtesy of Lifestyles Income. Wala talaga akong ibang business kung hindi Lifestyles lang talaga. So local travels, kagagaling lang namin ng Boracay, medyo napaos pa kasi napakainit doon sa Boracay. And lahat ng yan is incentives, libre lang yan, no? Libre lang yan. If mag-sign up ka, ma-experience mo talaga lahat ng na-experience namin. Personality growth, my God, talagang na-change yung life ko dito. No, na-change yung life ko dito. Ano pa ba? Okay, so, of course, huwag kang matakot. No? Huwag kang matakot na gawin mo yung business kasi you have all the mentors. May mentors ako na hindi ako nakarating to become global marketing directors kung wala akong mentors. Kami yung mga guide sa iyo, kami yung magsusupport sa iyo all the way para 3 to 5 years kung ano yung na experience namin, ma-experience mo rin, no? So, better health and of course, better future. Okay, so just grab, no, just uminom ka sa product, no? If you love your body, just take the Lifestyles product. But if you love your family, do the business. Yes or yes?